Welcome to our video on understanding the connections and compatibility of external ports and major components in a desktop computer. This knowledge is crucial for optimal functionality and effective upgrades. USB ports are essential for connecting peripheral devices like keyboards and mice. They use standardized connectors, ensuring broad compatibility across devices, even with varying USB standards like 2.0, 3.0, and 3.1. HDMI and DisplayPort interfaces connect to monitors, allowing video and audio display. Compatibility depends on the graphics card's output options, with modern cards supporting multiple monitors through various ports. Ethernet ports, found on motherboards or NIC cards, connect computers to wired networks. They use standard RJ45 connectors, ensuring compatibility with most network cables and routers for high-speed internet access. Audio ports connect to external audio devices like headphones and speakers, typically using 3.5mm jacks. Sound cards or integrated audio chips manage audio signals, supporting multimedia tasks with both input and output. The power supply unit connects to the motherboard, CPU, and GPU using standardized connectors. It's crucial that the PSU's wattage matches or exceeds component requirements to avoid power shortages. Motherboards include slots and connectors for components like the CPU, RAM, and GPU. Each component must match the motherboard's specifications, ensuring effective communication and support for intended functions. In conclusion, understanding the connections and compatibility of external ports and internal components is key to building and upgrading a desktop computer. This ensures seamless performance and usability. Thank you for watching.